Just Memories Car Club. I know, huh? Zigzags. They look nice. So this is the low and slow culture at the Pomona Fair. They got this every year. See what they got. Red rum. M&M Hydraulics. Southern Live Car Club. What else? You got a 64 out here. 84, my bad, shit. Caddy. 66. Familia. A lot of clean cars for sure. What are these Majestics? Oh yeah. Got Cali Style. Self-made fabrication. Clean, clean. What else? Hello Talk. Arriva Car Club. On the 50 Deluxe out of Riverside.
Purple? Yeah.
This is nice. This one's out of Riverside as well on the 81 El Camino. Clean, clean. $350. And we got the chopper out here too. 57. A lot of dope cars though, for sure. Some of these we've seen already. Oh. Get your photos done right there. What else they got? They got the Country FB. Some cups. Notorious. Southside. On the Buick. Clean. Got the town car out here. The Illusions. For the Love of Garage. 78. Chevy Love.
Give it some love!
Ooh, I love this 710 right here.
Right.
C10.
And a shout out to my father's high school, Garfield High School. My pops. Yeah, LA's in the house. Go Garfield! Big shout out to the city of El Sereno's in the house. City Terrace is in the house. That's right. Everybody, don't make me play some Zeppelin because I will, goddamn. Hey, don't make me.
What else?
Red. Don't make me play because I will, I swear. There's a sound. Oh. That one right there.
That was clean. You've seen that one before. Troy Hill Music. Dope, dope. United Ways, Khalifa's. Yeah, that shit is bad. That's pretty cool. Classify. Oh yeah. Shout out Classified. Sales go. Classified Shorty. Sorry, it's all Hello Kitty'd out. It's nice.
See, Adi, look, see the click, 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 click.
That's pretty cool. Gonna try to see if we can get a better look of it.
Hey, Bobby. He said, I'm not Bobby, but I'll play along.
Pretty cool. They got a tattoo shop right there too. Mobile tattoos. We've seen that spot before. That's just pretty tight. Whose name is Ozzy? That's his name. I think that's his right there. Let's get these a little bit better. Try to get jam that Aquanet pinata though. I'm gonna need to get myself one of those. Just please. Oh yeah. Oh, I know. I've seen that one before. He was at the Ontario Car Show once.
What's in the back seat?
Nothing. He just has like a lay down table, so it looks like pretty fancy. It's a Bentley, that's why.
Okay. It's a 4-door. My grandpa's got a 2-door.
Mine's a 2-door too. Got the Smurfs right there. That was pretty cool. East Side Stories, car shows coming up. Gotta check out the date on that. See when that's cracking. That's July 12th. $40 a ticket. It's gonna be here at the Fairplex. Did that last year, I think. It wasn't too bad. So that's pretty much it on the low and soul culture at the Fairplex Pomona. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.